Secrets of infinite banking. What you don't know about infinite banking. Before buying, know it first. Hi, my name is Sunny Mitra. For the best infinite banking and financial advice, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notifications bell so that you are notified when we upload new videos. You can buy some green tea online from many places, but where can you buy green tea leaves comes down to the subtle differences. Where do the profits from your green tea purchase go? What does the packaging of the green tea say about the society? How are the current world events tied into the story of the green tea? How does the green tea company interact with their competitors? With love? When I thought about it, I asked myself why, and then I connected it with the infinite banking concept, which is IBC for short. And I found these three pertinent questions that everybody should ask before getting into buying a whole life insurance policy based on infinite banking concept. Question number 1. Where do all the profits from my IBC purchase go? Question number 2. How are the current world events tied into the story of IBC? And question number 3. How does the IBC company interact with clients and competitors? With love? So, the first point is, where do the profits from my IBC purchase go? If you deal with a mutual life insurance company, then the profits the company makes at the end of the year will come right back to you in the form of a dividend check. But it is not applicable if you buy your policy through a company which is a stock insurance company. So be very careful about that. Next, we should ask, how are the current world events tied into the story of IBC? Most of the people in our society today are laden under debt, but that is not the worst problem. The biggest point here is they do not know that there is a vehicle which could get them out of this misery. They do not know that a big chunk of their weekly paycheck goes right back into paying the interest to their creditors. They do not know that an average American in their lifetime pays out anywhere between $280,000 to $450,000 in interest alone to their creditors. They do not know that there are two kinds of debts, good debts and bad debts. What kind of debt you have depends on which side of the debt you are on right now. Are you on the receiving end or the giving end? For example, for a money lender, a debt is the best thing to have, but for a debtor, it is the worst thing in the world to have. And so what happens is, everybody hates debts, but the tragedy is that they think this is the only way to live. No matter how much they hate borrowing money, almost all the individuals in their adult life takes out a mortgage loan, a credit card debt, student loan debt, etc., etc. So instead of borrowing the money from the bank, they can create their own banking system and start borrowing from there and see their amounts of debt going down over time and the amount of passive income going up over time. And the third question we want to discuss today is, how does the IBC company interact with their clients and competitors? With love? Here, I want to send a very clear message to you today. Just like I would ask my own son to read some non-fiction book, preferably some self-improvement books, and when he does it, it makes me happy. Just like that, if you watch a couple of our YouTube videos, watch our master class, read our book on infinite banking named Infinity Banking Secrets, that is the best gift you can give yourself. All I'm asking of you is learn it and then teach it to others. Spread the word around. If you feel like buying a policy from our competitors, that's okay with me. As long as you are sold on the subject, on the concept of infinite banking, and you believe in it, that's all we want. All we are asking you is to spread the word about infinite banking. And that is the biggest gift you can give to your family, friends, loved ones, and to society. After spending so much time with you, if you just send us a thank you note, Sunny, I watched your masterclass and it opened my eyes towards financial freedom like never before, that will brighten my day. Every time I get a call or an email from one of our serious infinite banking students, that lights up my day. That makes my life feel validated. That makes me feel that I'm contributing something to the society. If you like this video, let us know by liking it and leaving a comment for us. Make sure you share with your friends and family and subscribe to our channel. And remember to own your tomorrow by converting liabilities into assets.